How the Mabitsela twins changed the forex conversation in South Africa. From humble beginnings in Hammanskraal to becoming two of South Africa's most talked about forex educators, the story of Tumelo and Thapelo Mabitsela is one of struggle, sacrifice, failure and persistence. Known online as FX Goats, the twin brothers are the co-founders of a forex trading education company that has captured massive attention across YouTube, Facebook, and other social platforms. But before the luxury cars, the viral trading challenges, and the claims of a multimillion-dollar net worth, their journey began in a place many young South Africans know all too well, the hood. Before we dive into the story, just a quick disclaimer. Like many high-profile forex educators, FX Goats has faced criticism. Some caution against lifestyle marketing and urge traders to do proper due diligence. Important. This video is not financial advice, not a promotion, and not an endorsement of any mentorship or products. Forex trading carries a high risk of loss. Be cautious, avoid shortcuts, and beware of scammers promising overnight success. Where it all began. In 2017, Tumelo and Thapelo were just 18 years old, first-generation university students who had recently moved from Hammanskraal into urban life. For the first time, they were exposed to an environment completely different from the one they grew up in, an environment where success, money, and opportunity seemed normal. Back home, life had been tough. Their father worked in agriculture. They had herded livestock. Poverty wasn't a concept, it was reality. What they saw growing up shaped what they believed life would always be. University opened their eyes, but it also exposed the gap. While other students casually spent a month's allowance in a single day, the twins were surviving on 500 rand a month, sometimes eating only 3 days a week. Their fridge was often empty. Pressure mounted fast. That's when they discovered forex trading. The excitement stage. Like many beginners, their introduction to forex came through social media. Instagram traders showcasing luxury lifestyles, fast cars, and financial freedom. The dream was intoxicating. Before making their first real profits, they were already planning how to spend it. That excitement pulled them in completely. Forex looked like the escape route not just from poverty, but from limitation itself. But excitement, as they would soon learn, is a dangerous thing in trading. Demo fever. The twins started practicing on demo accounts, and like many beginners, they were winning big. Demo accounts flipped easily. Confidence skyrocketed. Trading felt simple. When they eventually deposited real money, starting with as little as $7, they experienced early success, turning small accounts into hundreds, even over $1,000 overnight. But that success was built on over-risking and beginner's luck. One bad trade wiped everything out. Then another account. And another. They were winning on demo and losing in real life. The wake-up call. Reality hit hard. They kept funding accounts using their National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS, allowance, blowing them week after week. Money dried up. Pressure grew. People around them began to notice something was wrong. They were trading forex but looking poorer than before. Fear crept in. Fear and survival. At their lowest point, the twins were surviving on 64 rand a week, eating only on certain days. They were isolated, locked in their room, staring at charts, losing money, and questioning everything. 2 years passed. No breakthrough. No consistency. Just failure. This was rock bottom. Rock bottom and the hard truth. They tried everything, different mentors, different strategies, endless YouTube videos. They were searching for the holy grail of trading. But the problem wasn't the strategy. It was them. Their approach was scattered. And scattered effort produces scattered results. Most people quit here. Many label forex a scam at this stage. But the twins made a critical realization. Just because it didn't work for us yet doesn't mean it doesn't work. This moment separated them from the majority. The psychology shift. This was the turning point. They stopped chasing quick money and started working on psychology, discipline, risk management, emotional control, and mindset. They learned that fear causes over-risking. Excitement breaks rules. Impatience destroys consistency. Trading wasn't about charts anymore. It was about who they were becoming. The waiting period. With psychology in place, they entered what many traders failed to survive: the waiting period. No rush. No time limits. No emotional decisions. They began treating trading like a business, not a lottery. Capital was still a challenge, which later led them to explore prop firm, opening doors to larger accounts and scalability, something they now advocate for traders who lack starting capital. The breakthrough. Then came the aha moment. Consistency replaced chaos. Discipline replaced emotion. Losses became controlled. Wins became repeatable. This was the stage where many slowed down, but the twins accelerated. Today, Tumelo and Thapelo are six-figure earning traders, educators, and founders of FX Goats, with a reported $2.5 million net worth and a mission to educate the next generation of traders. They continue trading and say they always will. The FX Goats are the only traders who were funding forex traders who were struggling to fund their live accounts. Even today, there has not been one like them. The FX Goat story isn't about easy money. It's about endurance, failure, self-development, and refusing to quit when quitting feels justified. From the hood to the global financial markets, their journey proves one thing. Success doesn't come from luck, it comes from staying when everyone else leaves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.